Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun video. I'm going to be sharing with you what I got for Christmas. But first I'd like to say happy holidays to everyone. I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas and are looking forward to our new year 2020. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got for Christmas. So let's get into it. So the first thing I got were some gifts from my son. He picked up some items I was talking about from Trader Joe's. So he got me this Trader Joe's lavender salt scrub, as well as this hand cream. I have purchased this hand cream before, so he knew this was one of my favorites. However, this is a new product that I'm trying, and it actually comes recommended from Chanel Files. She mentioned this as being one of her favorite body care products, so I decided to give it a try. Well, thanks to my son, I'm giving it a try. He picked it up for me for Christmas. So I got these two body products. The next kind of stocking stuffer I got was this slip ornament. So it's the slip silk products, and they're miniature scrunchies. I already took some out, but I had this hanging on my tree, and just so you can see, they're just mini silk scrunchies. And these are good to pull your hair up because they're silk, so they don't pull and tug at your hair, they don't break your hair, they don't pull your hair out. So these are very good, and these are very gentle on your hair. So this was a very, very nice little present. Next thing, this was actually something that I picked up for myself because I always got to do a little Christmas shopping for me. So these are a pair of Adidas. So these are the Adidas Falcon sneakers in purple and black, and they have a little teal detail here. I actually have these in the original color way they came out with, I think last year, 2018. So I love those, and I decided to get another pair. So here they are. I love those guys. Those are super cute. One of my favorite Christmas gifts ever, and it is a camera. So this is the Canon Powershot SX740HS, which is the camera that I'm using to film my videos. And I've used this camera for almost a year now, but sadly it was stolen from me this summer in Las Vegas on vacation. And so my boyfriend ended up repurchasing it for Christmas, which was so touching. Yeah, so this is like my favorite Christmas gift, and I'm filming on it now, guys. So that's the camera I'm always using. It's the Powershot SX740HS. So as always, guys, it wouldn't be one of my what I got for Christmas hauls if I didn't have some fashion items. I already showed you the sneakers, but I have two fun items to share with you. One is a handbag. So I got a Mansur Gavriel handbag. This is it. So this is the Mansur Gavriel mini bucket handbag in the black leather with the red interior. I'll take it out. So it's just a very simple bucket bag. Again, it's the mini size, and I'll open it up so you guys can see the interior. Interior is just a simple, just a bucket. It's just a simple leather interior with the red accent color on the inside, and that's it. This is the vegetable tanned leather in the mini size. Again, it's a black leather with the flamma interior. So this is a nice fun addition. I'm really into smooth leather structured bags right now, and I think this mini bucket is the perfect addition to my collection. I don't have a bucket bag at all, so I think this is kind of like the one of the best bucket bags out there, and again, reasonable price point. So this is a good option if you're looking for a designer bag, and because the quality is there, the price point is, again, definitely reasonable. So I actually got this bag in the large size. I want to say, I think it was Christmas 2014. I'll link all my what I got for Christmas videos down below, but I think this was 2014 when this bag was the most popular, and I got the big size, and I ended up selling that because it was just too large, and it was more like a huge messenger style, whereas this one I think would work better. The only con for me is the gold hardware. I am not a fan of gold hardware on handbags, but this is the only hardware on the bag, which are the studs that you can use to adjust the straps. So it's not that, you know, that stand out. And there's actually gold here. The branding here is in gold. But other than that, I really love the bag. I think it's a nice addition, like I said, to have a bucket, a small bucket bag to my collection. So there you have it. This is my last Christmas gift, and it's a good one. It's a very good one. And reminiscent of my last Christmas where I got my first Chanel bag. That was the only item I shared with you for what I got for Christmas 2018. But maybe this is a new tradition for me, but I got a little something something from Chanel. So this is the Chanel holiday packaging, guys. It's gorgeous. This whole black on black concept. I feel like all the designers, guys, have you seen the designer packaging for Dior for the holidays? And Gucci was gorgeous. Louis Vuitton's packaging was awesome. I think Chanel and Dior were my favorite holiday packaging this year, but I'm so excited to have gotten something from this Chanel collection in particular. So let me just open it up and share it with you guys. So beautiful. So I have to take off. It's a small leather good, guys. So here's the box. And this is it. So let me take this plastic off so you guys can see this beauty. So this is the Chanel reissue So Black quilted card case. And I believe this is the aged calfskin leather, which is super, super soft. But look at this black hardware on there. And it's a black shiny hardware. And it has the reissue clasp as the design. So inside, I just want to take this out so I can show you. So there's just cards and the tag. And here is the tag if anyone's interested. And this just the authenticity card. Chanel, this was made in Italy, and it has 2 slots on the back. Take the cards out so show you guys how it looks. So it's a very functional piece. I mean, it's a card holder, and I really need a new card holder. I had 2 actually. The Saint Laurent one that I wear all the time, that I've had for a couple years now. I use that as like my main wallet. But I do want to give it a rest because I've been wearing it consistently, I think, for like 2 years. Then over summer, I shared with you guys, I picked up a Louis Vuitton card holder, which I thought would be better. But I honestly used it a few times, and I don't know if it's because the canvas is so stiff. It wasn't that great user friendly. I was always fussing trying to get my cards out and cash, and I don't really love using that, so I haven't used it really at all. So this is a really great addition because I needed a card holder. And this one, again, since the leather is super soft, it will probably be very easy to get in and out of. Can we just go back to the So Black? Guys, my dream is to get a Chanel So Black bag. I love the So Black collections, and when they come out with it, it's always so hard to track down and to get a piece. So finally got something from the Chanel So Black collection from the boutique, and hopefully we'll be adding a So Black bag eventually. So guys, that's it. That's what I got for Christmas 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below and share with me what you got for Christmas, or what was on your Christmas wish list. What are you still thinking about picking up possibly? I'd love to know. If you're not already subscribed, come on and subscribe and join my little fashion community. My channel is basically about fashion, lifestyle, and I do a little bit of travel as well. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications if you haven't already. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please let me know in the comments section below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today. Till next time.